Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video and today I'm filming upstairs. Hopefully I fixed my lighting situation. I think it looks pretty even to me. This is probably the best that I can get it. I am going to lay down this wig that I got from RoyalMe Wigs. Actually, it came with a couple of clips and also a wig cap, which I'm wearing right now. So I'm going to pin the hair back and do the best that I can, because I think I already wore this wig once, definitely, and I washed it, and now I need to make sure that I put foundation on it after I'm done, because I need to make sure that this lays down. Okay, so I'm just going in with my Got To Be Glued hairspray. Y'all have seen me do this process so many times, it's not even funny. But yeah, I'm just going in with the comb, and I'm just making sure that everything is laying down as it's getting tacky and all that good stuff. But yeah, as of lately, I've just been feeling very not like myself. Like it's weird. Like this whole video I was putting on a ton of makeup, or not a ton, but just like a full face. I thought I was gonna be happy with it, but I wasn't. Like I just felt not pretty today. I don't know. Maybe I've been feeling this way lately, which is why I haven't been even trying or to attempt to put on any makeup lately or even take pictures for my Instagram. Usually I am super inspired and I'm like pumped to do pictures and stuff like that, but as of lately I haven't been, so this was my attempt to do so, and I don't know if I accomplished that or not. But I mean, probably the most fun for this video for me was just the editing process. I got clips from Joshua Tree where I was wearing this unit from RoyalMe Hair, and I was just having fun in that. But as of recently, I don't know why I've been feeling this way. But this is an attempt for me to feel better, a form of therapy, and just a way for me to, you know, play with makeup and stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoy the process of this video. Okay, so I finished doing my hair, my makeup. What I want to do is honestly slick everything back for photos for today, but I'll show you guys that after I'm done with the review of this wig. So this wig again is from RoyalMe Wigs. This is a box right here. And yeah, they just sent me this unit. I wanted something a bit different. Usually I go for like longer hair units and stuff, but I'm pretty sure this is a sister company to Hair Vivi, and they usually have a really natural looking hairline. So it literally didn't take me any like effort really to lay this down and make it look natural. Yeah, it's got very natural looking lace to it. It lays down really well, and it does come with an elastic band, which I already have inside of the unit itself, which is really cool. And yeah, I went ahead and I cut this. This was like kind of like an awkward length in the beginning. So it was like maybe like up to here. I wanted it super short. I feel like I've been wearing a lot of blazers lately and stuff, and I just wanted like a nice short haircut to go with a lot of my newer outfits that I have going on. And I thought this was perfect. So I thought, why not? And yeah, so I went with this look. So I'm gonna get into the specs of this unit. Okay, so from what I'm seeing for their 10-inch short hair bob wig pre-plucked, it is $139 on sale right now. It's usually $349.75, which is great, but I feel like the colors are different. So if you're looking for more of what I got, it is $194.90. And they have other colors available. So choose, I think they're having a really big Black Friday sale this week, so you're able to get exactly what you're looking for with that. But yeah, this hair is just super effortless. It's just giving me exactly what I want for just, you know, for my Instagram pictures and stuff and just everything. It just looks really, really cute. I think what I'm gonna do with this wig today is wear like a turtleneck It is a 13x6 T Part wig, so there's only lace in the part and also around the perimeter of the unit, which I think there obviously is a lace shortage, so that's why there's not that much lace these days, but they still did a great job regardless of it not having as much lace as it usually does. I didn't pluck anything. This wig is already pre-plucked. There's nothing to pluck on this. I also like the dye job. I think it looks really natural and they really took their time with this, which is great. And yeah, like this is just a really good unit. I'm really liking this a lot. I will be keeping this unit most likely for sure. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures for Instagram right now. You can go ahead and purchase the wig down below by RoyalMe Wigs. If I have any coupons, that will also be down below, but again, this is a Black Friday sale unit, so. I don't know why I didn't close the rest of this video out, but that is it for this hair review. I still felt kind of weird after putting makeup on, but I just wanted to go ahead and cheer myself up a bit and see if I could, you know, put myself together for at least a day out of this whole week. So yeah, I hope that you guys have an awesome day, stay safe, and I will talk to you guys later.